Hi, Cheetahs. The district has asked me to assign all students a digital citizenship lesson. Through learning.com, you will be doing a lesson that goes over what cyberbullying is and the do's and don'ts of what you should be doing online. So to be able to do this lesson, you're going to go to Clever, hit digital literacy, which is learning.com. And then you'll see assignments there. And that's where you normally see the assignments for typing. So you're going to look for the one that's talking about digital literacy. It'll say communicating online cyberbullying. And once you click on it, you'll get this. And this is about a 15-minute video with just a couple of questions. So if you can do that. And then when you're finished with it, if you can go to Google Classroom, you'll see it up in the stream, that assignment. You could also see it in classwork. And so when you're finished with that, I need you to turn it in. So you don't need to do any work here or create any work. You just need to click to say that you completed it. So it's there now for you to use if you could complete it before April 13th. Thank you. Have a good day.